Here's how to personalize an environment setting. Make sure your charger is in range. Once the mobile app has connected to your charger, click Programs from the bottom of the home screen. Tap Edit in the top right corner and then select Edit Programs. In order to optimize your hearing devices for different environments, think about which program you like best when talking with someone in your quiet living room at home. You can select the same program for both ears or tap left-right to select them individually. After you've selected your favorite program for each ear, select Done. If you'd like to change Program 1, Preset A, to another environment, you can select it here. If you'd like to optimize Program 1 for a meeting, tap Meeting, then tap Done. You'll see that Program 1, Preset A, has been updated to a meeting setting. Once you've made all the adjustments you'd like to make, tap Apply to update your device settings. You'll place your devices in the charger and the mobile app will tell you when the update is complete. You can always view your programs by tapping Programs on the home screen.